Stewed cabbage and potatoes. A side dish from Lesotho. Serves 4. You will need 7 ingredients. Step 1. Sauté onion in oil. Step 2. Add curry powder, stir and cook until well blended. Step 3. Add potatoes and water to cover the potatoes. Cook until potatoes are almost done, about 15 minutes. Step 4. Add cabbage and cook until the potatoes are done. Step 5. Add tomatoes, cook until tomatoes are warm, and nbsp, season with salt and pepper. Step 6. Serve. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.